A very good evening to my respected teacher and my dear friends. Hope you all are safe at home. I am Ravina from 3A Group 4th year, and today our group will discuss the topic allergic rhinitis. Let's get started.
Allergic rhinitis. It is an IgE-mediated inflammatory nasal condition resulting from allergen introduction in sensitized individuals, which present with cardinal symptoms like nasal congestion, rhinorrhea, sneezing, pruritus of nose, palate, throat, or ears.
Pathophysiology of allergic rhinitis. An allergic reaction is an exaggerated or inappropriate immune reaction and causes damage to the host. Type 1 immediately hypersensitivity reaction mediated by IgE antibodies, which trigger the mast cells and basophils to release pharmacologically active agents.
Clinical history. Obtaining a detailed history is important in the evaluation of allergic rhinitis. Allergic history, environmental exposure, occupational exposure, effects on quality of life, family history, past medical history.
Clinical sign and symptom of allergic rhinitis. First is sneezing, second is itching like in nose, eyes, ear, palate, and battery secretions and congestions and hypomia and allergic sinners and allergic salute.
The diagnostic tests for allergic rhinitis are: firstly, we can take the sample of the skin, and secondly, there will be serological tests.
Diagnosis: history with the clinical manifestation and allergy diagnosis.
Differential diagnosis: non-allergic rhinitis with eosinophilia and vasomotor rhinitis.
Complications of allergic rhinitis include sinusitis, hearing loss, chronic nasal obstruction, chronic otitis media, allergic asthma, etc.
Treatment. First is avoidance, environmental control and allergic avoidance, and second is pharmacotherapy. First is steroid, antihistamines, mast cell stabilizing and drugs, and fourth is decongestants, and third is immunotherapy.
Immunotherapy. Exact mechanisms unknown. Decrease allergen-specific IgE level. Increase allergen-specific IgG level. IgE molecule block the antibodies that are important in allergic reactions. Method: increase the doses of the injected allergen until the maximum level is reached. Course 2 or more than 2 weeks.
Pharmacotherapy treatment by steroid. Topical nasal steroid spray. Second, antihistamines like H1 receptors antagonist, first generation Tolidrine and second generation Clarity, and third one is mast cell stabilizing drugs like disodium bromochloride.
Care is not indicated for the allergic rhinitis, but may be indicated for contribute for the complementary conditions and complicating condition. In the first one is the submucosal turbinatory acid is a reducer of the buggy turbinates, and second one is the septicoplastic correction of deviation of septum.
Patient education. Educated patient and enrollment to control the measures, avoidance of the such type of the known allergen that causes the IgE hypersensitivity, and avoid the non-specific trigger and irritate substance.
There are two phases: acute or early, occur in 5 to 30 minutes after antigen exposure, release of inflammatory mediator. Second one is late or delayed phase, occur in 2 to 8 hours after antigen exposure, infiltration by inflammatory cells.
Precipitating factors: aerobiological flora, allergens present in the environment, house dust and dust mites, tobacco smoke, industrial chemicals, animal danger, nasal physiology, disturbance in normal nasal cycle.
Physical examination of allergic rhinitis. Outward signs that may be suggestive of the allergic rhinitis include persistent mouth breathing, rubbing the nose or an obvious transverse nasal crease, frequent sniffling and throat clearing, dark circles under the eyes which are due to nasal congestion.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Stay safe.